Hello villagers, and welcome to my channel Living Life with London. We have a focus on wellness, faith and inspiration, motivation, travel, DIY, and just daily living. Today we're going to make my immune boosting, anti-inflammatory pineapple, ginger, and turmeric shots. I take these shots on a very regular basis. I battle with arthritis in my knees, and these shots, since I've been taking them about a year and a half now, have really helped with swelling of my knees and the pain that I feel in my knees. A lot of my friends and colleagues have asked me, what do you put in them? How do you make them? I spend a lot of money buying them at the store. They're $3 or a little bit more than $3 per shot. And I have found that if I make them at home, I know exactly what's in them, and I spend $20 and get about 20 shots out of them. So let's go ahead and get started. What you'll need to get started is you'll need some oranges, some pineapples, a lemon, and some ginger. You'll also need some Ceylon cinnamon. You'll need some turmeric, black pepper. Black pepper activates the properties of the turmeric, a lemon, and you'll need some spring or alkaline water or coconut water. You can also use bromelain tea. Bromelain tea is made from me boiling the skin of the pineapple, the oranges, the lemon, and some ginger in a pot for about 15 minutes, and then let it steep for a couple of hours until it cools down. You can drink that tea with a little honey or by itself if you like, or you can drink it cold, hot. I keep it and I utilize it as the liquid for the shots. So you'll see me do that today. So here I have about 4 mandarin oranges, about 2 cups of fresh chopped pineapple, and about a 2 thumb size of ginger. We have some Ceylon cinnamon, that's the best. A lemon, of course. Our black pepper. I'm going to use today turmeric powder. I also used fresh turmeric as well. I didn't have any fresh turmeric today, so the powder it is. Here's some leftover bromelain tea from the last time I made these shots. And then just in case I need some more liquid, I have my coconut water. We're going to go ahead and place the pineapple and the oranges inside of our blender. Now that we have the pineapple, ginger, oranges all blended up, we're going to go ahead and add some turmeric to it, as well as some black pepper. I don't have any exact measurements. I just kind of put about a teaspoon size of turmeric in the mixture, like so. And then I sprinkle about a half of a teaspoon of black pepper. And then we're going to go ahead and blend again. Okay, so I have completed blending the turmeric and the black pepper in with our mixture. And what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and strain it with the help of a strainer and a measuring cup. So we are finished straining and draining the juice into our measuring cup, and it made about 4 cups of the shots. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to add our lemon, our cayenne pepper, and I've decided to go, nope, wrong, cayenne pepper and Ceylon cinnamon. So I decided to go ahead and add a little bit of cayenne pepper. I like mine just a little bit of spice to it. That cayenne pepper helps open your blood vessels and help them to dilate. I'm not a doctor and my statements are not FDA approved. That's just what I've been told from the doctors that I work with, okay? So we're going to go ahead and cut our lemon and drain the juice of our lemon into our concoction here. So guys, I have completed the mixture. It now has everything in there. Again, that's about 4 mandarin oranges, about 2 cups of chopped pineapple, about 2 thumb sizes of ginger, Ceylon cinnamon, cayenne pepper, black pepper, lemon juice. And here we have it. It yields about 4 cups of our mixture. Now what I'm going to do with the help of a handy dandy funnel, I'm going to go ahead and transfer the liquid into my 2-ounce shot bottles. I purchased these on Amazon. All right, so we are finished with our shots. Here they are, all packaged up and ready to go. I will chill them in the refrigerator, and I take 1 a day. And I was able to get 15 of these, so I'll go ahead and show you all. I hope you enjoyed watching and making my anti-inflammatory immune boosting shots with me. And if you enjoyed, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and also hit the bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I upload new content. Be blessed. Thank you. Bye-bye.